Hi guys, this is Vishal Kawadkar for Gizbot, and today what we have with us is the Oppo A71. The device was recently launched in India at a price of ₹9,990, and this will be sold exclusively through the e-commerce website Flipkart. And soon this device will be available through Amazon and Snapdeal as well. So in this video, I'm going to quickly run you through the specs, design and camera features of the device. So let's get started. So first thing we see is the device itself. I'll keep this aside and let's see what's inside. So here's the SIM ejector tool. Inside is the user manual. Then you get the standard adapter, power adapter. These are the headphones and the standard micro USB cable. So I'm gonna unwrap this device. So here's the Oppo A71. Now I'm going to quickly run you through the design of the phone. The device looks similar to the previously launched A83. On the front we get a 5.2-inch HD display. On the sides you can see there is the power wake-up key and the SIM tray. On the top you get a 3.5mm audio jack. On the right side you can see the volume rockers. Coming to the bottom side you have the speakers and the mic. Also the standard micro USB port. Coming to the rear panel you get a 13-megapixel camera with an LED flash, followed by the Oppo branding. The device comes in two variants, that is the rose gold variant and the black variant. Now let's start the phone. Talking of the display, we get a 5.2-inch HD TFT display here. Although the device offers HD resolution, you can see the colors look vibrant on the screen. And the texts also look sharp. The Oppo A71 is powered by a 1.8 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 450 processor paired with 3 GB of RAM. The device storage is 16 GB and it can be expanded up to 256 GB using a micro SD card. Speaking of the operating system, the device runs on ColorOS 3.2 wrapped under Android 7.0 Nougat. The device is fueled by a 3000 mAh battery and the battery backup depends on the usage. It claims to offer 19 hours of battery backup in moderate usage. Now speaking of the camera, the Oppo A71 comes with a 13-megapixel rear camera with an LED flash. And as far as the front camera is concerned, it has a 5-megapixel sensor. The camera app offers a lot of options like the time lapse, normal video mode, photo mode, beautification mode, panorama shot and the expert mode. It also offers you a lot of filters, but that would only run in the normal photo mode. We also have an HDR mode here. There are a few shots we took from the Oppo A71 camera. On the connectivity front, the device is 4G ready and it also offers you VoLTE connectivity. Besides, the device also has OTG support. So one of the biggest talking point of this phone is the fingerprint sensor. In this price segment, we have seen a lot of devices coming with the fingerprint sensor for added security. This can prove to be a huge setback for Oppo. Considering the price of the Oppo A71, we feel the device is priced a tad higher. But let's see how the market responds to the device. So this is what we have for today. This is Vishal signing off, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel and like our videos, and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.